You're not stuck. You're just standing in the spot where God is about to shift everything. Don't scroll. This word is right on time for you. Isaiah 43:19 says, "See, I'm doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it?" God doesn't need perfect conditions to change your life. He just needs your attention. That dry season, that delay, it's not the end, it's the setup. He said, "I'm doing a new thing." Not I might, not I'll think about it. It's already happening. But here's the catch. If you're focused on the old, you will miss the new. Let go of what broke you. Let go of who left. Let go of the way it used to be. Because God's not taking you backward, He's launching you forward. Type, "I'm ready," if you're done looking back and ready for the new thing. The next chapter is going to be wild.